How to use different flooring in different rooms. Hello friends, today we will talk about how to use different flooring in different rooms. Your home's flooring is one of the more expensive investments you'll make when decorating the interior. Your choices are many, and selecting different fabrications for each room needn't result in a haphazard look. The link between the flooring types is color. Set your interior's color palette before shopping for flooring. Obey the rule of 3, meaning you should only see up to 3 different types of flooring from any one point in your home. This may necessitate carrying around flooring swatches in your car until all your choices are made, but once they're laid out in front of you, you'll know immediately if what you've selected works. Color scheme. Good interior design includes a color scheme for the entire house. Variances in color choices depend on the location of the rooms and the number of levels in the house. Beginning with the foyer, select either tile, wood, stone, slate, or a mosaic to mark the welcoming entry to your home. Your colors blend from this point onward. If your house is small, laying one color and type of flooring throughout the main living areas visually expands the living space. Living areas. Off the foyer, the living room flooring can be sculpted carpet, wood, cork, bamboo, laminate, tile, or stone. The key is to match the color of the floor with the entryway, as one flows into the other. An exact match isn't necessary as long as the hues blend. To avoid monotony in large spaces, consider an inset piece of carpet surrounded by hardwood or a colorful area rug. A dining room with hard flooring is practical, and tile or stone works best. Wood scratches with the repetitive movement of chairs, and carpet stains from food and liquid that accidentally drops onto the floor. Family areas. Your family room's flooring, especially if it runs into the kitchen, should continue the color theme and benefit from a similarity to the kitchen flooring. If you choose carpet, select a sculpted finish in a darker color to avoid stain marks in footwear. Wood, tile, and stone work best in high-traffic rooms. The kitchen should be tile, slate, cork, or stone, and again it must keep within the color scheme of rooms that lead into it. Avoid wood and laminate in case water overflows and causes warping. Family bedrooms. This is where you can be more creative in the flooring. Children's rooms should have hard-surfaced flooring because of spills associated with children and teens. A distressed laminate is less costly than wood and stands up to excessive wear and tear. If the family bedrooms are away from the main living areas, the colors can feed off the room's decor, as long as they don't clash with the hallway flooring. Choose a neutral color for the hallway, preferably in wood, laminate, or tile, and your choices of bedroom flooring widen. Master bedroom. The master bedroom, especially if it's connected to an ensuite bathroom, should coordinate. Choose plush carpeting, wood, tile, or laminate. Area rugs on either side of the bed provide a warm footpath if you select a hard surface flooring. Blend the colors with the flooring you've selected for the bathroom. Placing a faux oriental carpet, with rubber backing, in the middle of the bathroom adds elegance and color. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.